Today we will learn simple English sentence. Let's start with introduction myself. Listen first, then repeat after me. So friends, are you ready? Let's begin. My name is Ria. My name is Ria. I am 5 years old. I am 5 years old. I am a good girl. I am a good girl. I love my parents. I love my parents. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. This is my book. This is my bag. I like to play. I like to draw. Thank you, friends. Very good. Practice every day. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye, friends.